that out. Welcome to Virtual H Guru, where barbecue and grilling is made tasty. I'm Brandon Tanner, and today, if you like a greasy spoon burger, these are the burgers for you, man. These smash burgers, I've been working on them a little bit. They're coming out really good, so we're gonna do that video today. So if you like this type of content,
please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video like this one.
Alright, so anyways, smash burgers are becoming popular. Obviously they've been around for a while, but it's kind of more like a diner style, real thin, crispy burger on both sides. And so, to do that, it's kind of interesting. This is a really handy tool that, like everything else, I've got links to different types of products and stuff like that. But this really works well. And we're going to use about 3.5 ounces of meat, so I'll weigh that out. And that gives you a decent sized patty. And we're using a little bit of the smaller buns for these, and we're going to do 2 patties. So we're going to cook patties on both sides, and then we're going to put American cheese in between the patties and on top to get you that real authentic smash burger. And then the folks at REO have been really, I started with their rib rub that a buddy sent to me out of Huntsville, Texas, and so they have sent me some of their stuff, and I just love all their seasonings. And this is the Seasonal, so I'm going to use that for the burgers. We've got some jalapeno bacon that we're going to put on the Traeger right now to get it going and get it done and crisped up, and then we'll put the burgers on. And the burgers, we're actually going to put them on a steel plate, if you will, steel sheet, so it gets smoking hot, and it's really easy to clean, really easy to take care of. It's nice, and it's kind of probably about a 1/4 inch thick, but really puts a nice char on these burgers. So looking forward to it.
I'm wearing heels, so it makes me look taller.
These are 80% lean, and that means 20% fat content. Add some olive oil cook spray. Held the temperature around 445 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes before putting on the burgers. Don't forget to have the wax paper handy so it does not stick. I like watching the dog. Seasoned to taste. I cook them for 2.5 minutes on this side. Let's stop recording. Flip them briefly to crisp up the other side before putting on the cheese. Time for a little more seasoning. Briefly close it up and melt the cheese. The wife doesn't like cheese, that's why there wasn't on all the burgers. Get off there. Edit that out.
You can add it in as a blooper.
Yeah. dogs. What's that? All right.
Yeah,
Yep.
good.
Yep. Dude, so good. So this is what you need, wax paper or parchment paper.